10th standard students, that is an algebra exercise 3.1. We are going to see problem number second, third subdivision. That is, in the previous classes we have discussed about problem second subdivision. Now in problem 2, third sum we are going to do. So what is the necessity of this question is, mainly we need to find out the x, y and z value. Previous problems, what we have discussed, the previous problems we are unable to find out the solutions. So in that case it has come as no infinite solutions like this. So this problem, what does it prefer is, they have given this equation y plus z by 4 equal to z plus x by 3 equal to x plus y by 2, and another one equation they have given as x plus y plus z equal to 27. So to form the equation, what we need to do? First we need to consider these two steps alone. So how we are going to describe these two steps? Y plus z by 4 equal to z plus x by 3. So we need to do the cross multiplication like this way. We need to do it. So 3 into y plus z equal to 4 into z plus x. So how we are going to write this equation? 3 into y, 3y. 3 into z, 3z. 4 into z is 4z. 4 multiplied by plus x is plus, plus into plus is plus. So 4 into x, 4x. The next thing is, how we need to formulate this equation. How we are going to formulate this equation? Here 4x is the y series, we need to do it. This 3y should come in right side. So minus 3y, this 4z plus 4z plus 3z, if it comes in right side, minus 3z equal to 0. So next, what is the step we need to take? 4x minus 3y plus 4z minus 3z is how much? Plus 4z and minus 3z, that is plus 4 minus 3. Yes, how much it will come? 4 minus 3 is 4 minus 3, 1. So plus z equal to 0. So this is the first equation. The next, second equation we need to try. How we can write the second equation? So how we need to find it? This one to this one. So z plus x by 3 equal to x plus y by 2. So we need to do the cross multiply. So how we are going to do this cross multiply? Like this only we are going to do the cross multiply. So 2 into x plus z, 3 into x plus y. So by this way only we can able to find out the equation. 2 into x, 2x. 2 into plus z plus 2z equal to 3 into x, 3x. 3 into plus y plus 3y. So how we are going to form this equation? Second, 3x plus 2x, if it comes in right side, minus 2x plus 2z, if it comes in right side, minus 2z equal to 0. So now what is the equation it will come? Yeah, 3x minus 2x, x. Or else, wait once again, I will do it here. 2x, this thing, 3x plus 3y is there as it is. Plus 2x if it comes in this side, minus 2x. Plus 2z if it comes in right side, minus 2z equal to 0. So 3x minus 2x is how much? x plus 3y minus 2z equal to 0. This is the second equation. So we have found out two equations. With this and with this we have found one equation, and by this and by this we have found second equation. So now first equation and second equation we have found out. Third equation is what? This one, x plus y plus z equal to 27 is the third equation. So now what is the step? We need to find out, our target is to find out the x, y and z values on it. So in this case, how we are going to do? We can take first equation and third equation. Because z is there, we can cancel it z. 1. First equation is 4x minus 3y plus z equal to 0. Third equation is x plus y plus z equal to 27. So now how we are going to do? Minus, cancel, plus z minus z cancel, this one minus, plus will be changed as minus, here also plus will be converted as minus, here also plus is minus. 4x minus x is 3x, minus 3y minus y, that is minus 3 and minus 1 is how much it will come? Minus 4. So minus 4y equal to minus 27. This is the fourth equation. Now with this equation we need to form the equation in the similar form of x and y. We need to form in the x and y series. So how we are going to find it out? So what is the strategy and how we can able to find out? See here we can take either second and third equation, and through second and third equation whether it's been possible or not we will see. No, because second and third equation if we take means x only will be get cancelled. So like this x and y series if it should come means, so which equation we can prefer? First and second equation we can prefer, I guess, or else second and third we can prefer. So second and third if we need to prefer means how we can do? Second equation multiply by which one? Here second equation we can multiply by 1, or else this z and 2 alone we need to try to cancel it, because then only if we try to cancel this z variable then only we can able to form this equation with a series of x and y. So how we are going to do? This 1 we need to multiply it in 2. In third equation we need to multiply with which one? In second equation 1, third equation multiply by 2. So 2 into 1 is what? X plus 3y minus 2z equal to 0. Third equation we need to multiply by 2. 2x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 27. How we have formed this equation? See here, second equation we need to multiply with this one, because then only to z value will be getting cancelled and there will be a separate equation will be get formed. So plus 2z minus 2z cancel. Now how we are going to do? X plus 2x 3x, 3y plus 2y 5y equal to 27, 5. So now fourth and fifth equation. Fourth and fifth equation. How we are going to do? 3x minus 4y equal to minus 27. 3x plus 5y equal to 27. So with this we need to find out, or else I will do here. fourth and fifth equation. I will write it in here. 3x minus 4y equal to minus 27. Fifth equation is 3x plus 5y equal to 27. Here plus needs to be changed as minus. Here plus needs to be changed as minus. Here plus needs to be changed as minus. Why I am preferring this sign? Because we need to cancel any one value. So we are cancelling this x value. Then only we could be able to find out the y value. X cancelled. Plus 3x minus 3x is cancelled. Minus 4y and minus 5y. Yes, how much it is coming? Minus 4y minus 5y. How much? Minus into minus is plus. So 4 plus 5 is 9y. So as it is. The highest digit signature is what sign? Minus. Then next, here minus 27, here minus 27 is there. So minus into minus is how much? Plus. So minus 54. 27 plus 27, 54. Then in both sides, equal sign is there, minus, minus. So it will be get cancelled. So now, how we are going to find out the y value? Y equal to 54 divided by 9. This 9 will be coming here. So y equal to how much? 54 divided by 9 is how much? 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are like this. 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54. So now we have found out one y value alone. So remaining things we need to find it out. What are the values we need to find it out? X and z. So x, substitute y equal to 6. In which equation we can use it? Fifth equation. In fifth equation we need to substitute the value. So 3x plus 5y equal to 27. 3x plus 5 into y is how much? 6. So 27. 3x plus 5 into 6, 30. 3x equal to 27 plus 30 if it comes in right side, minus 30. Then 27 minus 30 is how much? 27 minus 30 is minus 3. So x equal to minus 3 divided by 3, x equal to minus 1. See, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. So now we need to find out the x. Now x value and y value we have found out. Then next, z value we need to find it out. So for z value how we need to go? Substitute x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 6 in equation 3. In equation 3. So how we are going to use it? X in equation 3, what is the equation? X plus y plus z equal to 27. The next one is x is minus 1, y is 6 equal to 27. Now 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 plus z equal to 27. Z equal to 27 minus 5. So z equal to 22. So that's all about finding of the values of x, y and z. So it has a solutions. So this is what about the finding strategy for this solution. That's all about this problem.